আচ্ছা শোন,
Yes. Worship, I'd like to mention item 13, 1 3.
Yes.
I'm representing the state as follows here. Let this matter come up after 3 weeks. Worship.
3 weeks.
Yes.
Which part of petitioner? Yes, Mr. Takagiju. Which part of petition?
Your Lordship, and for the petitioner,
MS
and solo.
and solo and Mr. Takagiju done it comes for the private respondent. Respondents are present. Mr. Mohan Chen. As new government with Nagaland has paid for listing on the case of the trees. As the land council for other sites for no objection. With the case the state of the trees.
Lordship, I'd like to mention,
Lordship. There is an interim in item number
The interim
13.
order passed, I think. But continue to run the listing.
Much of that.
yes, your lordship, I'd like to mention item 25. Yeah, and we'll resume the state respondent.
25, this is orders, let us see. Maybe
Lordship,
service report,
I have to file the state counter affidavit.
right? It has come for orders, maybe service is not complete. We'll check. Have you checked? Okay. We'll pass the order and then when it is called up.
Lordship, kindly see item 38.
38.
Lightings have been completed here. Lordship, let this matter will come up after 2 weeks.
Yes. Petitioner. Mr.
Benison Bishop.
Manishan V. Shohei, Learned Council for the petitioner is present. Mr. Mohan Chen has paid for listing of the case. After 3 weeks. Lordship, okay. On the ground. As paid for, release the case. As paid for by Mr. Mohan Chen, release the case after 3 weeks.
Public must.
Yes.
Please, also. My lord, I'd like to mention item 33 from part 2 hearing is, my lord.
Yes.
I'm for the petitioner, my lord, here I may be allowed to file additional affidavit.
Yes, MS Livika, you are for the state
Yes, your lordship. I for the
and
state.
Mr.
You
Okay, Mr. L. N.K. Lucam.
come, my lord.
Okay, Learned Council for the petition has paid for and is granted 3 weeks time to file. Reply affidavit full stop MS Livika. Learned State Council and Mr. I in attendance and have no objection to state clerk. This is the case after 3 weeks. 33,
33, my lord. May I please, my lord?
yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16. I'm for the state respondent, your lordship. If 2 weeks time can kindly be granted to me, my lord.
okay.
And for the petitioner, your lordship.
Mr.
I am Chen for the petitioner.
Learned Council for the petitioner is present, Mr. Angami.
Lordship.
Learned State Council has paid for and is granted 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the state response. This is the case of 2 weeks.
Obliged, my lord. Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 32 and 34. And 34, your lordship. Hearing item 32 and 34. Your lordship, I'm making a mention on behalf of S. Mary. Lordship, she has some personal difficulties today. If this matter can be passed over, your lordship. For tomorrow.
Well, it is fixed
Yes, my lord.
on
Lordship.
the prayer perhaps.
Yes, because
Yes,
of,
Mary.
yes, because of one of our child not being in good health,
Okay.
your lordship.
Prosper for the day.
Lordship.
Fix.
Lordship.
Again, we'll be fixing. Okay. Let it fix tomorrow. Tomorrow,
Tomorrow, my lord.
we will try.
Okay.
Mr. Financial Learning Council for the petition is present. Mr. Angami Learning Council appearing on behalf of MSS Mary Learning State Council has submitted that case be listed tomorrow as MS Mary has some personal difficulty today. List the case tomorrow, same 34.
Deeply obliged. my lord. Please, your lordship. Item 39. When
Yes.
this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
You are for the petitioner,
Yes, your lordship.
Mr.
I am Chen, your lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. Surensu.
Let it be on 4th of December, your lordship.
Learned Council for the petitioners. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. It is
Sir,
submitted
your
and
lordship,
considered
that-
taken from the council for the respondents to make the prayer.
Your lordship, a date may be fixed for hearing. 4th of December.
4th of December.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay.
There is an
Adjourn
interim.
to interim order passed. I mentioned.
Much obliged.
May I please,
Lordship,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 42 and 43 here, item Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, I pray that this matter be passed over for the day since my senior is indisposed today.
You are representing whom?
Respondent number 2 and 3,
Your senior?
Lordship. Mr.
Okay. Which I am
for
Chen.
repeating, yes, your
I
lordship.
am Chen. I am Chen. Learned counsel for the petitioners in border petition is present. With the consent of Mr. Im Chen, learned counsel for the petitioners, MS Libiga, MS,
And April.
learned state council,
No, Lordship.
learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. N. Mojui. Kama has paid for listing of the cases after,
Tomorrow, Lordship.
not tomorrow again, we have already fixed them. After a week. On the ground that Mr. Mojui is indisposed.
Lordship.
Raise the cases after a week. The prayer is allowed, raise the case after a week.
Your lordship, there is an interim, there may be.
Interim order. Interim orders. Past Friday shall continue till the next.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 8. I may be granted 2 weeks' time to file my counter affidavit filed by the state. I'm the petitioner.
Oh. Who is for the petitioner?
Lordship, I'm for the petitioner in item number 8.
You want to file?
Counter affidavit filed by the state.
You want to file reply?
Lordship.
Okay, MS Friends of Learned Council representing Mr. N. Mojui.
Lordship.
Learned Council for the petition has paid for and is granted 2 weeks' time to file reply affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents. The prayer is made with the consent of the London State Council. This is the case of 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Maybe lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 31, lordship.
31,
Lordship.
yes.
Lordship here, my colleague, she has some difficulties. She's out of station, so if lordship may kindly let it come up after 2 weeks, lordship. Verified.
Who is for the petition, Mr. Respondent?
Yes, private respondent number 5, your lordship.
Okay. And who is this for the state?
Yes, Tiba from.
Tiba from Mr. Tiba from and State Council and Mr.
I am Jim, your lordship.
I am General and Council for the private respondents. In attendance, Mr. Porseco Hotel and Council has paid for an adjournment of the case for 1 week.
2 weeks, lordship.
2 weeks. Okay. As the prayer is made with the consent of the Learning Council for the other states, the prayer is allowed, is the case after 2 weeks.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 35 on behalf of Mr. Estata. Lordship, my senior is not keeping well. So lordship may kindly let it come up after 4 weeks, lordship.
So Mr. Posey of the Learned Council for the petitioner has submitted that leading council, Mr. S. Doctor is indisposed and has paid for listing of the case after 4 weeks. Mr.
Okay, it's over.
Pakin Richao.
Yes,
And MS. Learned State Council and Mr. Pakin Richao, Learned Council for the private respondents are in attendance and has not, have no objection to the circle. The prayer is allowed, is the case after 4 years.
Lordship is interim. Kindly take it.
Interim order of observation continue.
Kindly oblige, lordship.
Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 14. The estate is yet to file affidavit, so kindly grant me 3 weeks time.
MS. MS.
All right, so Lordship.
Land Council Board of Petition. With MS. Land State Council has paid for an inspected 2 weeks time.
3 weeks, your lordship.
3 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the state response. This is the case of 2 weeks.
Your lordship, similar prayer for item number 17. State is yet to file affidavit.
Okay, Benishon. Mr.
Justin Mark.
Justin Mark, Learning Council for the petition, Mr. I mean, 3 weeks. Same
My lord,
interim order.
no, my lord. I pray that this matter may be listed along with WBC 186 of 2023, my lord. Yes,
Mr. Mark Learning Council for the petition has submitted that the subject matter of the writ petition WBC number so is similar to the present writ petition. And so he has thus paid for listing of the district petition along with so and so after 3 weeks. List the petition or along with so and so after 3 weeks.
Pleasure.
Your Lordship, item number 37, on behalf of Inaholi. Your Lordship, let the matter come up after 2 weeks.
Petitioner,
I'm for respondent number 6, Your Lordship.
who is for the petition? Wrong son. MS London State Council has paid for listing of the case after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
I'm for the petition.
Okay, Mr. Swenso, Land Council for the petitioner, and Mr. E. You will see prayer. Place the case after 3 weeks.
My lord, we are praying for extension of the interim
The interim order passed by the continue till the next.
Your Lordship, item number 44 to 48, on behalf of K. Angami. Kindly let the matter come up on 23/11 on Thursday. Consent from the petitioners has been taken.
MS Swenso, Land State Council appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Angami, Land State Council has prayed for a short listing of the cases on Thursday. So is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned council for the petitioner to make a prayer. That's short for commonly the cases for Thursday.
Your Lordship, item number 40, let the matter come up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
After
3 weeks,
item
40.
40. MS. Petition has been informed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr.
Dipshit Mulchan.
Learned council for the petition is present. On the prayer of MS Rachel and the council. The matter stands adjourned for
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
May it please your
Yes, Your
lordships.
Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 on behalf of my senior Tampa Ponginer counsel for the through appeal. So may the matter be adjourned for some time.
My lord, this is the third time they are asking adjournment for this on the same ground. And that is not a ground to adjourn the matter. More like this is a covered case. Now, we are from the same department. There is a directorate called Directorate of Employment and Training Wing.
Okay, Pongina is available or not? Mr. Pongina is available or not?
No, Your Lordship.
Everything's pleadings are over.
Okay,
Why the matter should be adjourned on the ground that they will file in a Supreme Court? That is not the ground to adjourn.
Pongina, had it been available, he is available, we could have taken up.
Lordship indicate that this matter be received next week. Because the matter is over, more or less it is over now.
Okay. MS
The Atalachizo, Your Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petition and Mr. A. Joe Learned counsel for the private
Private response 5.
respondent number 5 are present. Who represents the state? MS Swenso, Learned State Council are also in attendance as agreed to by the Learned Council for the parties. Release the case on next Monday.
Next month. March of it.
Much obliged.
May it please your lordships.
So
My lord, if I am audible.
Yes,
My lord, may it please your lordships. My
yes,
lord, I pray for a little accommodation. My item numbers are 4 and my lord, 4 and 5. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. My lord, would your lordships be pleased to take up the matter as the last matter in admission column? My brief is awaited, only that, my lord. I am at Agartala. My lord, your lordships, my lord, last item in admission column is 23. Can it be taken up after that? Or maybe at 2 p.m. subject to your lordship's convenience? My
yes,
lord, I will not take much time, my lord.
you are not
At
audible.
2 p.m. Am I audible now, my lord?
Yes, as soon as the other admission matters are over. Or
My lord.
At 2 o'clock, whichever is later.
My lord,
Whichever
can I
is
prefer
later.
2 o'clock?
You
Can I
sought for
prefer 2 o'clock, my lord?
2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Okay.
My lord, deeply obliged, my lord, deeply obliged.
Item 27.
Please, Your Lordship, on behalf of Home Government Advocate, I'd like to mention item number 10, 11, and 12. This will
10,
be
11, and
disposed-
12.
Yes, you can natural to be pass over for the day.
Who is for the petitioner? You have informed.
No, Your Lordship, I couldn't meet them.
Let the matter be called up, then in the pair. In presence of the petitioner.
Mr. Lordship.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 26. I have an instruction to be on behalf of private respondent 6 to 40. Accordingly, I filed my.
Let the orders maker wait.
Lordship.
We'll check up.
Okay.
We'll be there.
Number 7. Here I'm representing respondent number 5 and we are yet to receive some instruction. Kindly grant me 2 weeks time.
Yes, state file. Your file. Okay,
State as
Mr.
well as the AG.
R5 has not
Yes,
filed.
already filed.
R5, R5.
I have received.
We have, according, to order dated 17/8/2023, this court has sought some instruction from respondent number 5 and we are yet to receive the instruction.
Okay, Mr. M.T. Longshore. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Angami. Learned State Council. And MS
Hombeni,
Ombeni, representing respondent number 5,
yes, Lordship.
are present. MS Friends of Learned Council for the respondent number 5 has submitted that instructions have not yet been received in deference to the earlier order. Order dated
17/8/2023,
23. Post of C has
2 weeks.
further 2 weeks time to obtain and place the instructions. Please the case of the page law, is the case of the 2 weeks.
Next,
Yes,
Lordship.
okay.
Lordship, item 41, Lordship. Lordship, if can we met tomorrow, Lordship.
Not more, I have fixed already 2 cases today.
Then on 28, Lordship,
Huh?
28, next Tuesday.
You have got a petitioner,
Now I'm for the
I
respondent
am for
4.
the petitioner, Lordship.
Shimomi,
Lordship.
J. Jimomi. Learned counsel for the petitioner is present.
That's a fixed item, Lordship.
And Mr. Angami, Learned State Council is present. On the pair, Mr. Joseko Hotel Learned Council for the respondent number
I'm for respondent 4.
4. Please the case on next Tuesday.
28, as a fixed item, Lordship.
20. It will come as fixed.
Nice, my lord.
Obliged, Lordship.
Next, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 36. 30. Yes, my lord. Lordship, kindly let the matter come out after a week.
On the prayer of Mr.
Manekalaman.
Yes, it stands adjourned for a week. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the land council for the other sides to be there. Which the case after.
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, I have instructions to appear in item number 24 on behalf of respondent number 7. Can you grant me?
Okay, wait for the orders method. We'll check up the order sheets, note sheets.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes,
That is your lordship. Lordship, this matter is with regard to violation of this deed agreement.
Hmm?
This deed agreement.
lease deed agreement.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, here in
What is
this
the
case,
lease deed agreement?
lordship, this deed
agreement was executed between the petitioner and tourism department in the year 2000 on 6 September 2022. And it is for 5 years, Lordship. From 1st October 2022 to 31st October 2027. Lordship, here, it's been hardly a year has been transpired since the commencement.
Where is the period mentioned in the agreement?
Lordship, you will find in the lease deed agreement, annex year 2, page number 17, Lordship.
And that period you have mentioned, where it is.
And Lordship, you will also
Reflected?
find, yes, Lordship,
The period you have mentioned,
yes, Lordship,
where it is reflected in the lease deed agreement?
Lordship, page number 17, annex year 2, in the third stanza, last line, for 5 years.
Yes.
Lordship, here in this matter, I am not giving a reasonable opportunity to be heard, and also not given a reasonable opportunity to recover what I've invested. Lordship, here I have invested a significant amount in the catering services and also in the civil and infrastructural works. And now the respondent authority number 2, Directorate of Tourism Department, has entered another list of agreement with the Hotel Polar Towers Shillong Best.
Where is the notice?
Lordship, you notice you will find in the page number 53, Lordship. Page number 53, annex year 9. Lordship,
2
here.
months time have been given.
Yes, Lordship.
Clause 22 and 23.
And Lordship, they have already handed over the land and facilities to the respondent number 4, Hotel Polar Towers, when my rights is still not been extinguished.
But notice has been given in terms of clause 22 and 23.
Yes, Lordship.
Let us see.
Lordship, may I read? Clause 22.
23.
That's 23, Lordship.
It is in conformity with clause 23. 2 months.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship.
What is the first? Where is the first petition order?
Lordship, Lordship, that I have not annexed it, but in the next hearing, this matter may be taken together along with the
You have annexed
under WPC, Lordship.
page 54.
Page 54, Lordship, this is not the one. There are under WPC's WPC 234. Lordship.
What order has been passed? Have you mentioned about this WBC 234?
Lordship, yes, yes, Lordship.
Where?
In the paragraph number 14, Lordship. 252.
Being the learned counsel for the petition was allowed to withdraw the petition
No,
with a liberty to file a phrase.
and
So
Lordship, there is another petition I
you have not mentioned
Lordship, I have mentioned in the
which paragraph?
in the synopsis also.
Paragraph 14. There is no whisper by the same person, same petitioner.
Yes, same petitioner, Lordship.
Then why you have not mentioned? In any view of the matter, it is in conformity with clause 23.
Lordship,
You have been given 2 months' time.
Lordship, here I have invested.
If there is any breach of contract, then you raise the issue in before appropriate forum.
Lordship, here I've invested more than 45.
That is what I have
Yes.
said.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I have made a,
You have
Lordship, may kindly
alternative
come-
remedy for that.
Lordship, I have made a,
Have you claimed anything in
Yes,
the
Lordship.
representation? Let us see.
Lordship, may Annexure 5, Lordship, page
Page
number 22.
22.
Lordship, after learning that the respondent number,
Significant investment,
Lord.
substantial investment.
yes, Lordship,
Where, how, when, there is not there. We can issue notice at this stage, Mr. Council.
Lordship,
Hard.
unless I'm grant as
Let us hear on the Indian prayer then. What right you have?
Lordship, as per
What
the
legal right?
Lordship,
2 months notice contemplated for in the agreement. You have been given 2 months time by the notice to vacate. So what breach of contract
yes,
has
Lordship,
been committed by the respondent?
Lordship, here I am not occupying these facilities illegally. Lordship, here, how can they surrender the entire land and facilities to the
They
respondent
have,
number
they
four?
have given 2 months time as contemplated, as agreed between you and the respondent,
Yes,
is
Lordship.
it not?
Yes, Lordship.
You have entered into that agreement with your eyes open, that provided 2 months time is given to you, you vacate the premise, right? Now they have given 2 months time.
Lordship, but
So if you have some other prayers regarding significant investment or substantial investment, you have other remedies, not repetition. Apparently,
Lordship, here,
these are contractual rights.
yes, sir, yes, Lordship.
Hard, hard, Mr. H.
Lordship, if my melody to hear the principles of natural justice has not been,
Notice has been given 2 months. What principle of nature justice then? You have not been terminated arbitrarily, but we are giving you 2 months time. Is it not?
yes, Lordship.
In terms of clause 23.
Lordship,
Pardon.
but the very essence of agreement is to be able to perform and derive benefit out of it and not
In
let
the
the other party.
exigency of the situation, they can give 2 months notice. That is, they have reserved for themselves.
But Lordship, this is
You
not.
should have objected to that at that point of time.
Yes, Lordship.
Once you have entered into agreement now, you cannot cry foul about that. You have entered into that agreement, keeping your eyes open, eyes and ears. Heard Mr. H. Kinney, learned counsel for the petitioner, and who is for the respondent? Mr.
For the respondent, DG Moment.
V.G. Mohan.
I'll accept notice.
Learned additional senior
No.
government advocate,
No, government advocate.
learned government advocate
No.
for all the, for the respondent,
no.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2,
The petitioner had entered into a lease deed agreement on 6/9/2022 with the respondent's Department of Tourism, Nagaland. To operate a restaurant within bracket catering services bracket close located at Tourist Lodge, Dimapur for a period of 5 years. It is the case of the petitioner that the total area after execution of the lease deed agreement, the restaurant was duly handed over to the petitioner. From which date? Next, 4. By a letter dated 6/10/2023. On being so handed over, no, not 16. After handing over of the restaurant area, the petitioner has been operating the restaurant within the catering service satisfactorily by paying monthly dues to the respondent authorities. The respondent authorities in the Tourism Department, Nagaland, has entered into another lease agreement higher category hotel under PPP mode. For a period of what year? For a period of
5 years.
no, the other side.
The other side, Lordship.
Huh?
I am not aware, Lordship.
You are not aware.
Nothing.
You have not gone through the lease agreement, which you have annexed.
Lordship, it's in its, but it
Hmm?
was specifically not mentioned.
For an initial period of 30 years. With an automatic renewal clause for a further period of 30 years. The said lease agreement was executed on 13/9/2023. Subsequent to execution of the lease agreement dated 13/9/2022, the petitioner has been served with a notice dated 15/10/2023, whereby the petitioner has been asked to vacate the restaurant at Tourist Lodge Dimapur within a period of 2 months from the date of issue of the said after execution of the lease deed agreement on 6/9/2022 and after handing over of the restaurant area thereafter, the petitioner has made substantial investment towards civil infrastructure works in the restaurant. It is submitted by him that the period of the lease agreement was for 5 years, but the respondent authorities within immediately after 1 year I have served this notice to vacate to the petitioner to vacate the premise. Close quote. In the event the petitioner is required to vacate the restaurant area from the tourist lodge, the petition will suffer immense loss in the process. First, Mr. Swenson, learned State Council has submitted that the lease agreement contain clauses for vacating the premises within a stipulated period of time, by prior notice from either of the two sides. The notice dated 15/10/2023 has been issued by invoking clause number 22 and clause number 23 of the lease deed agreement. Yes. Within 2 working days, the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the response number 4 by registered post AD within 2 working days. Clause 23 of the lease deed agreement. The petition by land council, but the parties are also hard on the interim period. The lease deed agreement dated 6/9/2022 has contains a clause 23, which provided that the lessees the department in case of his desire to discontinue the lease agreement and vice versa. The notice to vacate dated 15/10/2023 has been issued by invoking clause 22, provided that the lessee shall allow the facilities at the disposal of the state government stroke tourism department in case of any exigency situation or for the convenience of the state government stroke tourism department. The notice to vacate dated 15/10/2023 has been issued by the respondent number 3 by invoking clause 22 and clause 23 of the said lease deed agreement, providing 2 months' time to the petition to vacate the restaurant area of the tourist lodge within a period of 2 months. Inside matter, the court is not inclined to pass any interim orders staying the operation of the notice dated 15/10/2023 as the petitioner has alternative remedy as regards his grievance regarding making substantial investment to operate the restaurant after the lease deed agreement dated 6/9/2022.
For motion, item number 2.
Yes.
Your Lordship,
Ah,
here I'm praying for minimum scale of pay.
Initially, I was appointed on date 03/06/1994 as work charge labor with a fixed pay of rupees 450 per month. And I have been serving the department sincerely for 29 years. Thereafter, I've also submitted my representation to the engineer-in-chief for upgradation of
Yes,
fixed pay.
State Council, MS Livika. Representation is pending. Shall we dispose of?
Your Lordship, I don't have the brief with me, however, Your Lordship, if it's with regard to regularization or.
Seeking a minimum 29 years of
Scale of pay.
service, seeking minimum scale of pay. Representation is pending.
Oh, Your Lordship, if the representation is pending, then
Very just good.
let the representation be disposed to that extent, Your Lordship.
To that extent.
To that
On-
extent, to that extent of disposing the representation, I don't have objection.
By passing a speaking order,
Yes, Your Lordship.
that is your prayer only.
Yes, Lordship.
Heart, MS. Isinlo,
Berta Tep,
Barta Tep. Learned Council for the petition and MS Livika Learned State Council. For all the respondents. The case projected by the writ petition in this writ petition. In brief is that the petitioner came to be appointed as a work charge labor on fixed pay of rupees 450 per month in the establishment of the respondent number 5 pursuant to an order number so and so paragraph 2 dated 3/6/1994. Full stop. After being so appointed, the petitioner has been serving continuously since then. Presentation before the respondent number 4 on 19/7/2023, praying for grant of minimum scale of pay, since due to payment of pay at a fixed rate, the petitioner has been facing immense financial problem in managing the family. Full stop. In support of her contention that scale of pay, the petitioner has referred to a reply furnished by the office of the respondent number 4 on 26/2023 within bracket annex D, wherein the respondent number 4, whereby the respondent number 4 has informed that the duties discharged by both the vouchers employees and the regular employees discharge similar nature of duties. Full stop. As the representation submitted by the petitioner on 19/7/2023 has not yet been disposed of, the petitioner has made a limited prayer for a direction to the respondent authorities to dispose of the representation containing the petitioner's prayer for minimum scale of pay with utmost expedition. Full stop. What is Annex 5? Full stop. The petitioner has also referred to an order dated 24/9/2018 passed in a repetition, WPC number 167 within bracket A stroke 2018 within bracket Srimoti Apong Pom versus State of Nagaland and others. To submit that pursuant to the order dated 24/9/2018, the petitioner therein, Srimoti Apong Pom has been granted, had been granted.
Your Lordship, if I'm not mistaken, even this order, there is a direction to consider, to dispose of the representation.
Submission I have
Yes,
made, recording her submission
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes.
had been granted skill pay, work charge skill pay by an office order dated 23/1/2020. MS Deepika and State Council has submitted that without the requisition can be disposed of at this stage with a direction to the respondent number 4 to take the representation of the petition submitted by the petitioner seeking minimum scale of pay on board and thereafter to pass a speaking order. MS so-and-so counsel for the petitioner has agreed to the said submission. Since the representation stated to have been submitted by the petitioner on 19/7/2023 has not yet been considered and disposed of. This instead of keeping this petition pending, the same can be disposed of with a direction to the respondent authorities. More particularly, the respondent number 3, engineering chief.
Your Lordship, the representation has been made to the engineering chief.
To the respondent number 3 to take the said representation on board and thereafter to dispose of the same by passing a speaking order taking into account the facts and circumstances obtaining the case and the policy governing the matter within a period of 6 weeks. 6 weeks. It is ordered accordingly. The petitioners will submit a certified copy of this order at the office of the respondent number. Number 3 to take the representation on board and to this and thereafter to dispose of
Your Lordship,
the same by a speaking order.
Your Lordship, let the speaking order be disposed of on the date of receipt of the letter, Your Lordship.
Do that from within a period of 6 weeks. From date of receipt of a certified copy of this order at this office. It is accordingly ordered. The petition for the purpose of facilitating the disposal of the representation from the petitioner shall submit a certified copy of this order at the office of the respondent number 3.
Lordship.
For motion, item number 3.
Yes.
Lordship, this is also a similar prayer for scale of pay. However, Lordship, This is the third round of litigation.
Third round, then we'll issue notice. Third round.
The petition,
Earlier representation was disposed of.
yes,
Then we will issue notice. Third, MS, so and so, learned counsel for the petition, and MS Libica, learned state counsel for all the respondents. All the respondents. Full stop. The case projected by the lead petition and the state petition, coming brief is that. Many, 6 petitions. Or petitions. Is that? They were appointed as watchers employees. By common order dated 23/5/1991 at fixed pay in the establishment of the respondent number 5. Postal. After serving for a period of about 29 years, the petitioners submitted representations, dated 16/9/2020, Roman and dated 14/10/2020. Before the respondent number 3, paying for grant of scale of pay. Post of when the said representations were petitioners approached this court by referring to petitions from WC number 202/2020 and WC number 77/2021. Post of the said petitions were disposed of by orders dated 9/2/2020 and dated 30/4/2021. Directing the respondent authorities to consider and dispose of the representations within 2 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. Post of. The said representations were finally disposed of by, where is that disposal?
Lordship, the Honorable Court has directed the respondents to consider and dispose of the
Right.
petition.
Order dated 8/7/2021, right? Is it not?
However, by
Page
impugn,
29.
oh, yes, impugn office later dated 0/4/2021 and 0/8/7/2021.
Were disposed of by orders dated 4/2/2021 and 8/7/2021,
8/7/2021.
rejecting the prayer, petitioner's prayer for scale of pay. Agreed thereby the petition. Petitioners have preferred the state. Returnable imposed as Libica has declared and accepted notice on behalf of all the respondents. No formal notice extra within 3 weeks.
Okay. For admission, item numbers 4 to 6.
4, 5, 6. Made a prayer virtually, right? 4, 5, 6. We'll leave it.
For admission, item numbers 10, 11, and 12.
Yes, somebody made a prayer in the morning. Yes, MS. Yes. Made a prayer in the morning. You were absent at that point of time.
I was on my legs in court too, Lordship. If pleadings are complete in this matter, Lordship.
Yes, what was your prayer?
The matter may be passed over as is in dispersed. On behalf
Who
of,
is indisposed?
Tibapon.
Tibapon.
Yes.
On that ground. Mr. Moajami is learned counsel for the petitioner in all the 3 petitions. Is present. Mr.
No, some law for them.
Learned counsel appearing for Mr. Tibapon. Lion State Council has submitted that Mr. Tiva form is being disposed and the cases be posted. After
Tomorrow or any convenient day.
tomorrow.
If this is convenient, what is on the call?
Already I have fixed few matters in the last week for tomorrow for disposal. When will be division? Okay, Thursday?
Friday, if this is convenient.
No, Friday, not Friday. Thursday.
In that case, Lordship, next week I have some difficulties on Thursday, Lordship.
Let the cases be listed.
Much.
For admission, item number 15.
May I please lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, IA 135, I have filed in the main writ petition 247, your lordship. I am appearing for response number 1 to 4. And the present IA 135 is being filed by me, praying for vacation of the interim order passed by this noble court on 26/10/2023, your lordship. But here, your lordship,
1 minute. What is the other I?
the other IA, lordship, is for implementment, your lordship.
Implement.
So,
Okay. And main writ petition? You have filed counter affidavit.
in fact, your lordship, in the main writ petition, we have what parties and actions affidavit.
It's ready from the point of view of the government. Now, but there is also an IA seeking implement
Yes.
by some of the perhaps tenderers who participate. We don't object. Those can be implemented and matter can be fixed and discussed.
My letter senior colleague has already made a submission for me. My letter senior.
You
colleague
have
has already made-
this in the other interlocutory application. Seeking
Yes, Lord.
implement.
Yes, Lord.
138.
138
Okay, that can be allowed
My lord.
since there is no objection from the petitioner
Yes.
side.
for my senior
Right.
colleague.
Then what about the main petition? IA for vacation or
Actually, my lord,
writ
when
petition?
considering the IA and the main trade, it takes the
Same
same
thing.
amount of
Okay.
effort. So might as well not simply
When-
say date for
When,
sometime in the first week of December.
No, before final disposal.
okay. And Mr. Sheki,
Yes, Lord.
after implement, you file your
My lord, we will file it. with
Within one
HMC,
week.
Lord.
within 1 week,
Possible, Lord.
right?
Yes, Lord.
And you file your reply.
Yes, in that case, lots will have the matter on 11th. 11th of December.
For final disposal.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let me pass the order in implement application first.
My lord.
Heard Mr. J. Seki. Learned counsel for the applicants.
My lord.
How many?
Lordship, there are 10 of them, Lordship, 10
10 of
applicants.
And still by Mr. A. Joe and Mr. R. M. Dekam. Learned counsel for the opposite party number 1 and 2 dash writ petitioners and Mr. T. B. Jamil. Learned counsel appearing for opposite party. The opposite state. Yes. State response. State. The instant interlocutory application has been preferred by 10 applicants jointly seeking their implement as party respondent in a connected writ petition WPC number 247/2023. Where Mr. Sekil and counsel for the applicants has submitted that the connected writ petition has been preferred, assailing 2 notice inviting tenders comma, dated 25/8/2023 and 13/10/2023. Published by the Chief Engineer, PWD, within bracket RNB, Roman and Empowered Officer, comma, NGRRDA, comma, Nagaland, for construction of road projects across the state of Nagaland. Full stop. The applicants, you have participated or you are desirous of participating?
We have participated, Lord.
Okay. The applicants are Class 1 contractors under the PWD, comma, Nagaland, and they have participated in the tender processes initiated by the state to NITs. Full stop. Mr. Sikhi has further submitted that the opposite parties, the writ petitioners, have preferred the writ petition, connected writ petition, challenging certain clauses of the two NITs and seeking for fresh tender process. Full stop. Mr. Chaudhary, Senior Counsel, appearing for the opposite parties, the writ petitioners, has submitted that the opposite parties, the writ petitioners, has no objection as regards implement of these applicants as party respondents. Full stop. Mr. Jamir, learned counsel representing the state stroke other opposite parties, has also submitted in similar lines. Full stop. Having regard to the fact that the applicants, these applicants, have participated in the tender processes initiated by the NIT, so and so. And the subsequent of the connected petition are and a challenge has been made to the state to NITs in the connected petition. It appears that the applicants are found to be necessary parties, and their prayer for improvement as party respondent in the connected petition. Party respond number
6 to, I think,
6 to
15.
15 is allowed. Full stop. The office to cause the necessary correction in the connected petition. Connected petition. Full stop. Para. On the next WPC.
Here I have a small problem. Our grievance, basically we are alleging violation of Article 40. Nevertheless, my lord, would like to again approach the authority with a comprehensive letter. At this time, let them before discovery document. Basically, what we are trying to say is there are 40 projects. Now, by clubbing the projects, my lord, the scope of participation of many is in jeopardy. My lord, we are akin to what right flows from Article 39C, where distributive justice sort of that, my lord, and of course, violation of Article 14 is alleged. And let government consider it, my lord, giving.
Since they have come up with the IA for vacating, I don't think that lordship.
No, my lord.
That situation is
independent of the without prejudice to their rights. They can always, we'll again file a detained representation.
you are okay. You are seeking liberty.
Why I'm saying so?
You are seeking leave to file press representation.
Yes.
Okay, that can.
Yes. Without prejudice to their rights.
But since the matter is already subject and your lordship has rightly pointed out, I filed an IA for vacation, your lordship.
Heard Mr. K. Chaudhary, Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. A. Joe and Mr. R.M. Deka, learned counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. And Mr. T.V. Jamil, learned counsel representing the state respondents. Full stop. Also heard Mr. J. Seki, learned counsel for the respondent number 6 to 15, who has been implemented by an order passed today in IA number swens. 138 stroke 2023. Full stop. Mr. Sheki has submitted that, has prayed for and is granted 1 week's time to file counter affidavit, comma, if so advised. Full stop. Mr. Chaudhary, senior counsel for the petition, has submitted that a week's time may also be granted to the petitioner side to file a reply affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents. Full stop. The party respondent number 6 to 15 files the counter affidavit within a period of 7 days, 1 week from today. The petitioner side will file reply affidavit, comma, if so advised, comma, within 1 week thereafter. First of all, Mr. Chaudhary has further submitted that the petitioners seek to file a press representation before the state respondents, highlighting their grievances, okay, grievances as regards the tender processes, comma, which are the subject matter of the lease, alliance in this petition, comma, without prejudice to the cases of any of the sides. Respective parties. First of the petitioners are at liberty in the event such representation is filed, the state respondents may consider the same, notwithstanding the pendency of this petition.
I'm so deep.
Lays the case
On 11.
as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, lays the case on 11/12/2023
For disposal.
for final
At the
disposal.
accept stage.
Final disposal of the writ petition at the admission stage. The interim order passed suggest will continue till the next.
And your lordship, I have one small submission. Here, Union of India Ministry of Art is also made a party, respondent number 5, but the petitioner has no grievance, they are not claiming any relief from respondent number 5, your lordship. So irrespective of any affidavit.
Even if they appear, otherwise it will make no difference.
It's like, even without.
Any state of CGC? Any CGC is available? Okay. So also heard Mr. Central Government Council.
Yes.
For the respondent number?
5.
Then you are respondent number 1 to 4. Okay, 1 to 4, huh? Okay. The Union of India may also take necessary instruction, may also place the necessary instructions in a matter on the next day. Interim order till next day.
And
final disposal.
Yes, and your lordship, in my IA 135, if registry may also be directed to.
As the, okay,
in my.
Okay, I number?
135, your lordship.
Okay, I 135. Heard Mr. So-and-so, the instant interlocutory application has been preferred seeking vacation, modification or alteration of the interim order dated so-and-so. Stop. As the passed in the connected repetition WBC number so-and-so. Stop. As the connected repetition WBC number so-and-so has already been ordered to be listed on 11/12/2023, the instant interlocutory application is kept pending with the observation that if the connected petition is not taken up for final disposal on the next date of listing, the instant interlocutory application may be taken up for consideration.
My lord, and your lordship, in view of the order passed in 138, if registry also may be directed to the cost item, the cost of the newly implemented.
Okay. Repetition to same repeat করে দিব, lordship. Repetition to repeat করে দিব, the registry to correct the cost title of the repetition in view of the, in terms of the order dated so and so passed in I numbers.
My lord. Hello.
For admission, item number 18.
Yes.
Lordship, the petition is filed for non-payment of pending dues, Lordship. However, while pending this repetition, Lordship, the respondents, they have made a payment to the petitioner, Lordship. I may be allowed to withdraw the petition.
Okay, paid,
Lordship.
Yes,
paid.
it's already paid. Your Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, similar order for till item number 23. All the seven
Okay,
repetitions.
Mr. Moajami, heard Mr. Moajami, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Angami,
Lordship.
learned state counsel for the learned government advocate,
Senior government advocate.
senior government advocate for all the respondents.
Yes,
First of, the instant repetition has been preferred by the petitioner seeking inter alia a direction to the state respondents to disburse an amount of rupees 2,08,500 as against a contract work executed by the petitioner in terms of and work order number so and so dated 26/6/2020, right?
Yes, Lordship.
First of, Mr. Jamir, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that during the pendency of the repetition, the said amount has been disbursed, Lordship, to the petitioner. First of, and as such, the petitioner has petitioner's grievance has been redressed, Lordship. First of, in such view of the matter, the petitioner does not want to proceed with the repetition, and the repetition can be closed. First of, in view of the above submission made by Mr. Jamil and counsel for the petitioner, the repetition is closed as not present, Lordship. Same thing, amount and work order, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. Much better.
From item number 19
23,
to
Lordship.
23.
Obliged.
For orders, item number 24.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, made some prayer seeking time.
I've instruction to appear for respondent number 7. Your Lordship, I may be allowed for weeks time to file my BOA as well as certificate in
Okay.
position.
How many respondents?
7 respondents, Lordship.
Okay, 1 to 6 is state.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
7 is the brother respondent.
MS,
Bertatap,
but Jeff Learning Council for the petitioner and Miss MS. MS Swenso, Learned State Council representing Mr. Kiangami, Learned State Council for the respondent 1 to 6. So Mr. Watijami, Learned Council has submitted that he has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 7. Mr. Jamir has submitted that 3 weeks time. 3 weeks.
4 weeks.
4 weeks, okay. So Mr. Jamir has prayed for and is granted 4 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 7.
As well as Bauer.
You definitely file power. Release the case after 4 weeks. In the admission column. Admission column.
For orders, item number 25.
Yes. Mr.
I, Jamir, Lordship.
I Jamir, petitioner, and Miss
Your,
so and so
On behalf of,
for the state respondents.
Your Lordship, state is here to file affidavit, so 3 weeks may be granted.
This has come for Okay, MS Swenso. You are appearing on behalf of somebody?
State is on behalf of Moa Imchin.
More, you know, very state. For the respondent number 125. Full stop. MS Swenso has paid for and is granted 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents. Office note dated 31/7/2023 has reflected that the service report in respect of the service report in respect of the respondent number 6 is awaited. Full stop. Office to put up, the registry to put up a note as regards status of service of notice upon the respondent number 6 on the next data list. This is the case of a 3 weeks.
For orders, item number 26.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I have received notice on behalf of private respondent 6014.
Okay, good enough.
Lordship may have the 4 weeks time to file.
MS,
Mambeni, I'm employing on behalf of Pakin.
MS so. Learned Council, representing Mr.
Pakin Lichabo.
Pakin Richabo, Learned Council for the petitioners, and who is the state council? Okay.
More
Yes,
than me,
who is present, of course, of Mr.
WRU.
Learned Council has submitted that he has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 6 to 14
Lordship,
and has paid for
4 weeks time.
4 weeks time to file
File
counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondents. Full stop. The state respondents have not filed any counter affidavit till date. Full stop. The respondents are granted 4 weeks time to file counter affidavits, their respective counter affidavits.
No.
List the case after 4 weeks, as all the respondents are served with the notices, come and release the case after in the admission column after 4 weeks.
Much less.
For orders, item number 27.
MS,
Tickets or no?
is present, or the petition is present. In view of the office note dated 13/10/2023, comma, await for the service reports in respect of the respondent number
1, 2, 3, and 9.
1, 2, 3, and 9. This is the case after 2 weeks,
3 weeks.
3 weeks. For service reports.
For hearing, item numbers 28 and 29.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention on behalf of my senior IMT loan chair, counsel for the petitioner. Lordship, let this matter be fixed on 23rd. I've taken the consent of respondent 4, 5, 8, and 9. I've taken the consent of respondent 4, 5, 8, and 9.
Next week then. MS, your name is there.
On behalf of my
Okay,
senior.
appearing for Mr. MT Longchar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Petitioner in both the petitions has sought for listing of the case after review. MS Liviga, Learned State Council. Is in attendance, post of MS Swenso has submitted that consent has also been taken from the respondent number
4, 5, 8, and 9.
9. 4, 5, and 9.
4, 5, 8, and 9.
4, 5, 8, and 9 to make the prayer for adjournment. Release the case in the next week. After we.
For hearing, item number 30.
Repeat, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the petition. Those under the rank of Havildar, the non-commissioned officers, till Sepoy Lordship, constable, they are on voluntary basis.
Who are the
Once
respondents? Who represent the respondents?
Mr. Im Tim Song for the state. The petitioners belong to the category of junior commission officers, my lord.
No point hearing you any further if he is ready or not.
Lordship. If not, we have heard this petition many times, my lord, and none of the courts have had sufficient time to dispose of this matter.
Village guard
Yes, Lordship.
or home guard.
Village guard.
But some decision was rendered in respect of village guard, right? Home
But
guard.
that is regarding the
Home-
non-commissioned officers and below that level, the
Yes.
voluntary level.
Yes, Mr. Council, ready?
Since there are so many matters, I was not expecting, so I was out.
Then I have to wait till 2 o'clock now, the 456 per item number. It's 11:30 only. No, कितना बजा ना? ये की हो रहा है? Oh, your compilation.
My lord.
He is not ready, what to do?
I have already submitted my list
No, when do you want? Today or somebody else?
today.
You want to do it today?
Yes.
Okay. Then go to the-
Then may I begin, my lord?
How much time it will take? Tell me, because I'll hear that matter from 2 o'clock.
From 2 o'clock. Lordship,
I have already at 10:30. But Mr. Advocate General Chipura,
my lord,
he will address by through BC.
Lordship. If not, my lord, that will also depend on the queries put up by the Zound court. If not,
Okay. You can take it up. कल क्यों ठीक है? कल क्यों? Any idea? Tomorrow. If you find out.
my lord,
Tomorrow's
Lordship.
board. Tomorrow's board.
Oh, my lord,
Let me find out.
my lord.
What pay, equal pay? Equal pay,
Yes, Lordship.
For it, my lord.
equal pay for equal work.
In fact, Lordship, the corresponding ranks by the rules of 1993, that is the
Would you be
ROP.
relying upon Jagdeep Singh also?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship.
Jagdeep Singh, 2017?
Yes, Lordship, that is also one of the judgments that I'm relying upon, my lord. By the nature of performance of duties that we perform, there is also
Was your case taken up by any pay anomaly committee? Or something like that?
the pay anomaly committee, Lordship.
Oh.
Way back, we submitted our representation when the opportunity was given. But our representation was never addressed, and the pay anomaly committee, Lordship, I believe they are set up only for temporary period. And after
So,
that, they stop
after-
functioning. Lordship.
immediately after
The ROP.
pay revision rules,
Yes, Lordship.
ROP rules,
Yes, my lord.
pay anomaly committees are constituted.
Yes, my lord.
And before pay revision, expert committees are constituted. Before that committees, one has to file their representations. I'm just saying, because we have many matters fixed tomorrow.
No, very true, Lordship.
We have many matters fixed tomorrow, I've been told.
My lord.
Not possible to take up tomorrow. Someday else.
How about Thursday, 23rd?
No, Thursday, Lordship, I have an engagement,
In principalship.
no, Lordship, social engagement, Lordship.
Oh,
I will
Then
try to
Monday.
reduce my argument as short as possible, as brief as possible, because the law points are limited, Lordship.
law points are the pleadings are quite high. Voluminous. Pleadings are voluminous.
It is, my lord.
I have to deal with the pleadings also.
If we go into the entire facts, my
I
lord,
have to go.
your
because
lordship,
It
then,
has, it has repercussions and consequences,
my lord,
either to the petitioners or to the state. If petition is allowed, it will be
and I'm also asking for the benefit with effect from the ROP rules of 1993, so,
1993.
or from the date that, on record, lordship. Verbally, the department, the state respondents have been approached many times, but on record, the first representation, we could not trace beyond 2008. And the third option, my lord, is fully aware from the date of initiation of this case before the zoning court.
That is
With
third
effect
option,
from
is,
whichever
third
option.
option is okay, but 1993, I'm a bit surprised. I'm a bit surprised.
My lord,
Maybe Monday? Friday is not possible.
Monday,
Believe early.
Monday,
Holiday, Tuesday. Monday is holiday.
Monday is a holiday. Tuesday, lordship,
Joshua Seki,
my lord.
Right Council Board of Petitions. And Mr. Indian Chong. Right State Council. Our president has sought for by the Council Board of Parties, raised the case on Tuesday. I'll sit again at 2 o'clock. Who will be representing the state in the case?
Which block is that?
Or if you can contact the Mr. S.S. Roy, Senior Counsel and Advocate General Tripura, we can take up right now. Yes, ask Mr. Fosego Fote if he is available, that he can, if he can contact Mr. J. Land Advocate General Tripura. He will be arguing as a senior counsel only. We can pick up, we can sit. We can prepone the hearing.
Bless you, Lord.
Sorry. Mana? Mana? Apa? Kek mana? Kek mana? Itu kalau ada pergi belajar, pasti semua sound itu mulai nggak isi dari. Kalau ada pergi, jadi tidak. Itu pernah saya ini kan pernah. Ya, kata saya apa? Enggak, kok kawan lo. And some people will be trying to do it. Hello. Request Amana. They will have me from the what request Amana.
Line. PC.
Hello.
For admission, item numbers 4, 5, and 6.
May it please your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Day.
My lord, I am sorry. I kept the honorable court waiting for me. I'm very sorry for this, my lord. My lord, my lord, if your lordships, if your lordships be pleased to take up item number 4. Item number 4, WPC 74 of 2018. My lord, probably that will clinch the issue for the rest of the petitions also. Because as of now, the petitioner number 1 in this petition is in large.
1 minute.
My lord.
In the other petition,
My lord. My lord,
on Kodoni Enterprise.
Courtney Enterprise. My lord, this is the name of the firm which belongs to the petition number 1 of item number 4.
And next is Kodot Sulu Venu.
Kodotsana Velu is the manager of the firm, my lord. My lord, both these
Mute,
now.
mute. You have gone mute.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Yes,
Is it okay?
yes, yes.
Okay, no?
On the previous date,
My lord,
when I had gone through the LCR,
my lord.
I had found that so far, except this Amit Sarkar,
My lord.
this Kodot Sulu or
And the name of the firm and the that enterprise. Kodoni Enterprise. Kodotsana Velu, my lord.
And petition number 2 in the first petition, Nelly Koza Sarkar.
My lord, yes.
They have not been charged seated.
Right, my lord. Yes.
You have gone mute again.
My lord, I don't know. Hello, hello. My lord, in my side it is okay. My lord, at Kohima, yes, it is mute at Kohima.
Mute at Kohima?
Yes. In my side, my lord, I am getting full, my lord, network.
Okay, now I am hearing, yes. You're
My lord, there will be some, my lord, will copy it up, my lord. Yes, yes, my lord.
Yes.
So far as the other persons are concerned, except.
What happened?
Again?
Huh? Network issue.
Yes, network issue, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, except for Amit Sarkar, I think cause of action doesn't survive for the rest. So, my lord, I will concentrate my effort for the writ petition number 1 in item number 4 only. That will suffice. My lord, if your lordship kindly comes to page 22 of the writ petition, that is annexure 1. Very short fact, my lord, then I'll give the legal submissions. My lord, in fact, this is the second round of litigation. In the first round, my lord, we came before your lordships by way of WPC 1K of 2017.
WPC
1K of 2017. That was the first petition. My lord, we came because, my lord, the vigilance, my lord, I'll say erstwhile, the erstwhile Vigilance Directorate had issued notice to my bankers, asking them to give details of my bank transactions and other things, which are otherwise not, my lord, without the order of a court available to any prosecution. We had told, give me the copy of the FIR in connection which you have lost the case, and give me other documents, why you need it. That also was not available. So we came to this honorable court, my lord. Mainly, my lord, we challenged the jurisdictional part, also the procedural part. And in challenge were two specific notices which were addressed to the bank. Now, my lord, page 22 is an order of 17th January of this honorable court, 17th January 2017.
Page 22.
Page 22.
One.
Annexure 1. Page 22 of item number 4. My lord, amended petition of WPC 74K.
Amended petition.
Amended petition, my lord. Amended because, my lord, while your lordships are in session of the matter, the Vigilance Directorate ceased to exist and the office of Lokayukta came to being, my lord, by virtue of an act of the state. Your lordship got page 22, my lord. This is an order of your lordships by which, my lord, my earlier petition was, my lord, notice was issued, and in interim, my lord, the notice to the bank was stayed. My lord, lordship may skip it. It has spent its force. My lord, by the next page order, page 23, the Vigilance Directorate came up for your lordship and submitted, my lord, that they have withdrawn the two impugn orders. So, my lord, in view of the submission made by the Standing Council of the Anti-Corruption, my lord, we submitted that nothing survives in that matter. So, matter was closed, my lord. Lordship sees that, my lord. My lord, pages 24 and 25 are those, my lord, notices which were under challenge. Lordship may skip it for the time being, not very relevant. My lord, kindly come to page 26. Annexure 5, my lord. My lord, these gave rise to the cause of action, part of the cause of action for filing the instant petition before your lordship. My lord, this is a notice of appearance under section 41A to the firm manager. My lord, page 27 is also a part of it. My lord, kindly come to page 28. My lord, my manager writes to the, my lord, Deputy Inspector General of Police, who had headed that organization at that point of time, to give a copy of the FIR, in connection with which, my lord, he was called. My lord, copy of it was given to SP Vigilance, and they were served by registered AD post also, apart from being in hand. My lord, lordship may skip page 29 also. Come to page 30. Kindly come to page 30, my lord, annexure 8. My lord, they write, the DIG writes that I am to refer to your letter dated so and so and to convey. Yes, that this police station will not be in a position to furnish copy of the FIR. I'm sorry.
Voice.
Yes, now I can hear me. Oh, yes.
We are at page 30.
30, my lord, 30. My lord, I understand. When the border is marked with green in my case, my lord, I understand that I am in touch with your lordships. My lord, yes, they refuse me to give a copy of the FIR. Anyhow, my lord, lordship may skip the rest, come to page 32. All these wranglings will not disturb your lordships. Yes. Ultimately, I get a copy of the FIR, my lord, because I go to the police station. My lord, I go to the court also. and search out a copy of the FIR. FIR is at page 32. Lordship must have gone through this, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, here, name of the complainant is there, nature and address of the accused person is also there, where this person, Amit Sarkar, is not named. I'm not making any point out of it.
Color change.
Yes, color change, my lord.
Color change.
Yes. শুক্রবারে কিতা না কিতা না না এই শুক্রবারে কিতা না কিতা যাইতাম
Yes.
my lord, yes, I think
Yes.
yes,
Now,
my lord,
32 FIR.
page 32 FIR. Lordship must have seen the contents, my lord. There was a preliminary investigation and some facts are there.
Yes.
My lord, for the time being, I will not disturb your lordship with the finding of facts and other things, because I am conscious, my lord, I am not before your lordship in a trial court. Number two, anything here or there will also, my lord, disturb the merit of both the prosecutor's case as well as the case of the other accused persons before the trial court. I will not trouble your lordship with this. My lord, I will, in nutshell, my lord, rest are page 34 and others, where I prima facie show, my lord, that I am the beneficiary of a tender process in which multiple tenders were there, a global
Mute.
tender in course of which I was
Mute again.
mute again.
Mute again.
Yes.
Not audible till now.
My
Yes.
lord,
Yes.
now, yes, yes. No, my lord, briefly stating, my lord, I'm not contending the facts, but there was a global tender process which is evident at page 34 and 35, my lord. That's all. I'm not laying a defense to your lordship, because I know I'm not before a prosecuting court. My lord, the short point which I'm trying to, my lord, canvass before your lordship is, my lord, Article 20 of the Constitution says, no person will be penalized or even executed, my lord, or subjected to a trial by any authority or before any court not in accordance with law. My lord, I am, as a citizen of this country, entitled to a criminal process, a prosecution process, which is sanctioned and known to law. My lord, the initial, my lord, am I audible, my lord? Yes. The initial proceeding started by and at the behest of State Vigilance Commission. My lord, I've given a, my lord, short compilation. It should be there in the file, my lord. Yes, my lord, my lord. My lord, may kindly come to page 1 of that compilation, the front page itself, which shows how by a resolution of the government it came to existence and its powers. My lord, this is resolution dated 9th of April to 1976. Your lordship gets it?
Yes.
Although nothing is said, my lord. Although nothing is said, my lord, I will presume it's a valid piece of resolution under, my lord, Article 161 or 166.
Yes.
It's a piece of, my lord, executive.
Mute.
Again, mute, yes.
When it goes-
My lord, I can hear.
Yes.
Yes. My lord, I will presume, my lord, I'm not challenging this. I am presuming that it's a valid piece of executive order It's not a legislation, but it's a executive order, my lord. The government can make it, my lord. Home being in concurrent list and list 2 also, the state government can make such an executive order under 161, 166. I will not dispute that. Now, my lord, Lordship will kindly see the powers given to this vigilance organization. My lord, clause 2A to 2G.
2A.
2A to 2G.
Mute again.
My lord, clause 2A to
Mute
my
again.
lord, mute. My lord, I can hear your lordship. I can hear. I can hear. Gone.
If its border goes to that side, yes.
My lord, now it's okay, my lord?
Yes.
Yes. Now, my lord, clause 2, subclause A to G, my lord, circumscribes and prescribes the total jurisdiction of Vigilance Commission. My lord, to undertake any inquiry into any transaction in which public servant is suspected or alleged to have acted. My lord, my crux of humble submission before a lordship is the power of this Vigilance Commission does not travel even an inch beyond public servant. It doesn't go, my lord, even to abatement part. Because without the creator having created power for this creation, my lord, this creation cannot act beyond its statutory limit. It absolutely doesn't have any power.
Go on mute again.
Yes. Hello? No. Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Am I? Yes.
Yes.
My lord, State Vigilance Commission doesn't have any power whatsoever.
Go on mute. Yes.
Yes. My lord, the State Vigilance Commission doesn't have any power to even initiate an inquiry to a level beyond a public servant. My lord, will come to prosecution later on. It doesn't have any power of criminal prosecution. The power of criminal prosecution on an authority beyond CRPC has to be vested specifically under law. Even just, my lord, conferring it a power of, my lord, section 2S, that police station does not confer upon it the power of anything beyond an investigation, summon and other procedures. Power to prosecute has to be granted. But my lord, I'll fall short. Power even to go
Police station has been declared.
It is declared.
Under
But
2S.
my lord, police station
You are not audible. Am I audible?
Yes, your lordship is audible. Yes.
Police station has been declared under 2S.
Yes.
Officer in charge has.
My lord, your lordship. Yes. No, my lord. Now your lordships are again.
You are not audible.
No, my lord. When your lordships are audible, I'll be audible.
Go
Otherwise,
on
not.
It's
gone. It's gone. I can understand. Because in my side, yes, now it is again
yes.
okay. Again gone. Or it
is okay.
It's okay. My lord.
Police station has been declared under 2S.
Yes. Now police station is.
Officer in charge has been declared under 2O.
Yes.
Then what more is required?
What more is required is, my lord, he will do what? He will exercise powers under 2. 2 has not been amended. He cannot act beyond that.
FIR, officer in charge can lodge the FIR.
My lord, he can lodge an FIR, but he cannot
And
prosecute me.
investigation,
Investigation
let us
also,
go to the FIR.
my lord. He can also, my lord, my contention before your lordship is, he may be anything, but his powers are circumscribed within clause 2. He cannot go beyond that. He is a full-fledged police station. He is a full-fledged police officer. I concede to that. There is no argument on that. I already told your lordship.
Leave apart this booklet. If there is an officer in charge,
Yes.
and if there is a police station,
For what?
then you are not challenging
station
the
for what?
police station and officer in charge.
Yes.
Now, in FIR, if an FIR is lodged under section 154 CRPC before a police station, it is no different police station other than normal police station. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm hearing, my lord.
It is no different police station other than normal police station. Leaving apart that booklet.
No, we'll not call it a booklet, my lord. This is the Janma Sutra of this organization. It's not a mere booklet. My lord, this is by which.
Come to the notification. That is
Yes.
independent. Come to the notification in that booklet. That
Yes.
is independent of any this vigilance manual. Page
My
4.
lord.
Page 4.
Yes, yes. Page
This is-
4, in exercise of the
This
power.
is under 2S.
Yes.
And come to page 12.
Yes, my lord.
So suppose, let us, for our common benefit, let us think this police station is Paltan Bazar police station.
Which it is not. My lord, if it was Paltan Bazar police station,
2S
that is
is
a different
2S.
matter.
2S is 2S.
No, 2S is not 2S. My lord,
And
if it is a,
notification
no, my lord,
1996 is a
let-
notification under 2 officer in charge.
yes. To do what? To do what? To man the Directorate of Vigilance. He is not a police officer in my lord who is manning the Kohima police station, which is a normal police station under CRPC. Here is a body which has been created.
Tell me, Paltan Bazar police station cannot investigate any Prevention of Corruption Act case?
It can. It can, but it is not Paltan Bazar police station. The question will be otherwise. Can Paltan Bazar police station investigate something which is vested under law to NIA? This is the question to be posed, my lord, in this case.
Now, here is a case of PC Act.
My lord, this is a case of PC Act. They act under PC Act, but it is not an agency. Had it been a normal police station dealing with, my lord, he is not a normal police station. Kindly see, your lordship has got this, my lord, charge sheet. He files it at what? He files it from the Directorate of Vigilance. Now, Directorate of Vigilance doesn't exist. He files as an authority of Lokayukta. He doesn't file it as an officer of Nagaland Police. This is not Nagaland Police acting. This is a special, my lord, executive body created by, not a statute, by a notification which is acting. Had it been any other police station, my argument would not have sufficed. But this is a police station, my lord, which is created by a notification, and the notification circumscribes the power of that organization. My lord, he may be the DGP, he may be the DIG, he may be a police officer, full-fledged police officer, but full-fledged police officer to do what?
Declare the office of the Director of Vigilance as police station.
Yes. Now, my lord, what is Directorate of Vigilance? Kindly see.
Director of Vigilance as police station.
Yes, my lord. My lord, they will do.
It might come under what query I am seeking from you. It might come under this particular resolution, whatever is there.
My lord, if this resolution goes, the entire Vigilance Commission goes.
That has been office of the Director of Vigilance has been. Director of Vigilance is there or not?
As of date, it is not there.
No, at that point of time in 1976,
No, it was there. It was not there. It was created in 1976.
because that is State Vigilance Commission.
My lord, the State Vigilance Commission was created.
Whether Directorate of Vigilance was there or not.
It was not there. Directorate was created under
Okay.
this. Directorate
No,
also came into being under
it's
this.
No.
There was no Directorate of Vigilance, my lord, before this. Let the government come clear with this. There was no
It
Directorate of
is you.
Vigilance.
It is you,
My lord,
government. It is you.
my lord.
First, you have to stand on your own feet.
My lord, yes. I am standing on my own.
Specific pleading
Yes.
that there is no Director of Vigilance.
Why should I, my lord? Creation of something or existence of something which depends on them. How can I vouch it? I am vouching on the resolution dated 9th of April 1976. It should be their case to say that even without that, the Directorate of Vigilance survives. Why should I say, my lord, in a matter of criminal, my lord, criminal civil apart? How can I vouch for the birth of someone of whom I am not the father? That's not the law of pleading, my lord. The law of pleading is otherwise. I have pleaded that Directorate of Vigilance came into being with, not Directorate, the State Vigilance Commission came into being with effect from 9th of April 1976. And the Directorate is the Directorate under this commission, my lord. Without the head being there, the son doesn't survive. It was not there. I'm telling your lordship. It was not there. There was no Directorate of Vigilance. It cannot survive, my lord, because without the Vigilance Commission being there, what the Directorate will do? And subsequently, an officer and the Vigilance, my lord, Directorate itself was, my lord, certified to be a police station. Yes, it is a police station, but for the purpose of what? Discharging the duties of the Vigilance Commission. The Vigilance Directorate is there.
Well, to us, that notification does not say so.
My lord, why should the notification say so?
Simple police station simpliciter.
My lord, why should the notification say so?
Not required. 2S, CRPC is there.
Now,
CRPC is there.
by 2S, you create any and every person, and it, well, it's a dangerous proposition. It goes into criminal investigation and
from
trial.
the state government only, not from anybody else.
My lord, how can it do?
Not from anybody else. Not by any
understand.
XYZ.
I
It
understand.
has to be from the state government only.
My
2S
lord.
says state.
My lord, the state government has not come up with any. I'm sorry, again mute. Now I can hear.
Yes.
Yes.
It
No,
is
my lord.
not XYZ. It is state government. 2S says it is state government. So
Yes.
it is not XYZ. So I have in the lighter vein, I have said that Mr. Day will be very much knowing what is state government.
Yes, but the state government is also circumscribed by 160, 166.
Gone again, mute.
Again mute.
Again,
My lord,
gone mute.
my lord, I can hear your lordship. I can hear.
I have seen some.
I can hear, my lord. Again, I can hear, but
Not audible.
my lord, now it is audible. I can hear your lordships.
Date of.
My lord,
lodging.
I think
Yes.
now it is come.
Yes. What is the
My
date of
system, my system is showing, my lord, the Kohima network bandwidth is slow.
Yes.
Anyway, my lord, let us take, my lord, my submission is, it is a police station. He is a police officer. To do what? To do what? My lord, it is this, my lord, kindly come to this notification for a moment. In exercise of powers conferred on the so and so, Governor is pleased to declare the Director of Vigilance. My lord, the Director of Vigilance comes to being to serve the purpose of 9/4/1976, my lord, notification. Director of Vigilance is otherwise not existing. It exists only because of Vigilance Commission. Now, if the Vigilance Commission's power is circumscribed, how can just by giving a power of police station and police officer, he can travel beyond that, my lord? Tomorrow he will come and say that I will investigate NIA case also. Again gone.
Last 2 minutes.
My lord, gone.
Yes.
Again,
Yes.
I see.
Yes.
My
Now,
lord, now he will, my lord, tomorrow he will come and say that
gone again.
Again gone.
Yes, it has come.
It has come. My lord, why I say it's a dangerous proposition? Is it there, my lord?
Gone again.
Gone again.
Gone again.
Yes.
I'll indicate if it comes. I think it has come.
It has come. My lord, it will flicker like that. That's my system says. It is gone.
Gone.
Is it okay? No.
No.
No, yes. No, it's not.
Ah, yes.
Yes, now it has come. Yes, now it has come. My lord, if it gives the power of a police officer,
I think in this manner it will not be possible.
my lord, can your lordship,
If the petition is dismissed, it will be unfair for the petitioner. If it is allowed, then
my lord, can I take a chance on?
It's
Hello,
very important.
Mr. Day,
my lord,
I don't think this way we can continue.
I agree with your lordship, my lord. My lord, can I again gone? Again gone?
That I do not know. It is up to Mr. Day.
No, my lord, we cannot probably.
We try to, in this era of technology, we try to
Yes.
go to virtual mode, but this mandate or directive from the Supreme Court might not be possible in the northeastern.
Yes, now it has come. No, my lord, in northeast we
Gone again.
It has gone again.
Gone again.
It is gone again.
It is not possible now. We thought that we'll pick up this matter, but
it is not possible. My lord,
gone.
Hey, Foseko speaking.
Yes.
Foseko phone karo. Hello.
Mr. Foseko is here. Please come.
Yes,
inside.
my lord, I am trying to contact him. Foseko phone karo. Foseko, wait. Foseko, I am ringing you. My lord, I am ringing up Foseko.
Gone again.
Yes, it's gone again.
Not possible.
Now it has gone.
Yes.
Gone.
My lord, I am trying to contact Mr. Foseko. I am trying to contact Foseko.
Yes.
Are Foseko, please. Oh, Gada. Are why should you go out? Hello, Foseko, you come inside the court. Come inside the court. Come inside the court. Come inside the court. You come inside the court. Foseko, you come inside the court. You come inside the court. Hello, Foseko, you come inside the court. Yes. Foseko, kindly pray to my lord whether the matter can be fixed on next Monday. I will come. I will come and argue the matter.
Okay, you come.
My lord.
Monday is holiday.
Monday is holiday.
Monday. Oh, I'm sorry.
Guru Nanak.
Guru Nanak. My lord, 28th. 28th. If your lordships are sitting on 28th,
it is gone.
It is gone. Hey, Foseko. Foseko, 28th. Foseko, 28th. 28th.
So, Mr. Day, If it is Tuesday, I will not have the privilege of hearing you. I will not have the privilege of hearing you
My lord, I can hear your lordships.
next Tuesday.
My lord, any day to your lordship's convenience, my lord, any day. Your lordships have heard. Any
No,
day.
no, no, I will not have the privilege of hearing you in the next week.
Oh, my lord, your lordships are not
I will
here.
not be there. Anyway, that is not the issue.
No, but my lord, I had begun with your lordship. I would have loved to, my lord.
It is not an issue. Somebody else will be there.
My lord, kindly fix it on 20th. I'll take a chance, my lord, with any available court.
We will not say about disturbance, no partial disturbance. It will not be. It will not look good.
No, it's not good.
Oh. Tuesday will be. Please verify him.
Lordship may be kind enough to verify.
Yes,
the date and
yes,
date.
Tuesday.
My lordship.
28th is a
I know
Tuesday.
from, Mr. Day 28.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
He is not audible.
No, he is. He's
Yes,
nodding.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, my lord. Yes.
28. Okay.
Deeply obliged, lordships.
Mr. SSD. Heard Mr. SSD through her senior counsel. Through virtual mode. Heard Mr. SSD. Senior counsel. Through virtual mode. Assisted by Poseco Forte, learned counsel for the petitions. Mr. TB Jamil, you appear for whom?
I am for the newly implemented, respond number 5.
Okay, Mr. Imti Imchong, learned additional application. Nagaland for the respondent number 1. And Mr. TB Jamil, learned counsel for the respondent number.
No, your lordship, 2, 3, and 4 Vigilance Commission, no more. So now Lokata has taken over, newly implemented.
Respondent number 5. List as sought for by the learned counsel for the parties.
On 4th, my lord, I understand there is a bench available on and from 4th for probably 1 or 2 weeks.
28 is also available.
My lord, then it's okay.
Anyway, which date what you want?
4th, my lord, I am sure that there is a bench available.
4th.
4th of December. 4th of December.
There will be festivities of Hornbill.
Probably that is why, my lord, the bench is available. I see
You want?
the roster.
You want 4th?
My lord, 4th will be better.
He is targeting 2 birds with 1 stone.
Oh, you are trying to.
Again gone, again gone, again gone. 4th, my lord. Again gone.
You are trying to kill 2 birds with 1 arrow.
My lord,
That hearing as well as Hornbill Festival.
my lord, long time I did not visit.
Okay, 4th of December,
My lord,
2023.
my lord, deeply obliged, my lord. Deeply obliged, deeply obliged.
Sure নাই বাজাই যাচ্ছে স্যার এও শিওর নাই
এলেগে তোকে নিজেই হয়েছে হ্যাঁ তুই আসরে মানে
হে তো করবো
করবে
আচ্ছা কখন কিতা করতে
হ্যাঁ